When selling a business, a major decision is assets versus shares. Determining the comprehensive taxes to compare the net after-tax proceeds can be a complex exercise, but there are routinely material differences, especially when considering tax elements such as the capital gains deduction, capital dividends, and RD2H accounts. TTI Salary versus Dividend worksheet shows your clients the after-tax cash results of selling assets and then distributing the proceeds as salary and/or dividends, and compares the results to selling the shares. On the T2 tab, you can specify the province and year-end of the corporation along with any relevant opening balances such as GRIP, CDA, or RD2H balances. The details of assets or shares disposed are entered on the Corporate Transaction tab. For assets, you can include the relevant proceeds and ACB of the capital assets to be sold. If the taxpayer is looking to sell other assets of the corporation, those assets and any payment of liabilities can be entered in the Disposition of Corporate Assets section. For shares, you'll specify the type of eligible asset, such as qualified small business shares, and the relevant proceeds and ACB. You can then enter the individual taxpayer's base income on the T1 base tab so that all results are determined at the taxpayer's precise marginal rates. This tab also supports changes to the capital gains deduction limit and other considerations. On the Remun 1 tab, click the Optimize button at the top of the worksheet to determine the results of selling shares and selling assets followed by the dividend distributions. You have the flexibility to change the scenarios if you'd like to try different remuneration strategies. The results will provide details comparing all scenarios. To see details supporting the results, you can click the links to jump to the relevant sections with clear information for both the corporate and personal cash outcomes. We can also jump to the remuneration charts, which shows the cash changes to the individual, the corporation, and the differences between them. If you have any questions about using these features, please email us at support@taxtemplates.ca.